guys, I'm Annie and welcome back to my channel Doll Craze. So for a long time I've been wanting to make a doll disc for my dolls, which I want to make look modern, really modern and artistic as well. So today I'll be doing that. So I found some ideas on Pinterest and I want to make the doll disc something similar like this picture. So without any further ado, let's start making it. So firstly, for this project you'll need some cardboard and a scissor. Cut some rectangles and squares, and let me very fast show you the measurement of these squares and rectangles. After cutting all the pieces from the cardboard, take a piece and mark around it on a piece of paper. Then cut it. After that, take the trimmed piece of paper and place the cardboard on it. Then make small squares on the corners of the paper. Then with the help of a scissor, cut it. Place the piece of the cardboard on the paper, then fold the tabs and glue them in place. After pasting the tabs over the cardboard, you'll get a neat piece of cardboard from one side. Then for the other side, mark it around a piece of paper, then cut it, and as the same process, paste it. After cutting the piece of paper, paste it with gentle hands firmly on the piece of cardboard. Similarly, follow the same set of steps for the other pieces of cardboard as well. Now I have all the pieces of the cardboard covered very nicely on both the sides, and I also have some changes in plan. So I won't be using cardboard for both the sides of the table. I'll be using popsicle sticks for one side and cardboard for one side, because in the picture it's like that. So now I'll be only needing 2 pieces of cardboard of the same size. So I'll stack these together and cover these like this. I'll keep all the covered pieces of cardboard aside while I make the other side of the desk with popsicle sticks. For making the right side of the table, you'll need popsicle sticks, white paint and paintbrush, and that's all. So now we have the basic structure of the desk, but we need to have some drawers in it. So I'll be using jumbo matchboxes for the drawers, and I'll be covering it with white paper so it matches with the desk. I'm using matchboxes for this craft because it is way easier than making it with cardboard. So these are the 2 packs of jumbo matchbox. I've emptied out the matchsticks. And also one more thing, I won't be using these vertically, I'll be using them horizontally. I'll start by cutting the front piece of the matchbox. And you'll get something like this. Then use the trimmed part of the cardboard for the sides of the matchboxes. And this time I won't be using school glue, I'll be using duct tape to paste it. Repeat the process on the other side as well to get something like this, and follow the same steps to make one more. Then use white paper to cover these. So making the drawers is done, and my popsicle sticks are also dried out. So let's start assembling them. After gluing the popsicle sticks, let it dry. While take the drawers and glue the front base on it. And again I'm using school glue only. Spread it evenly with a finger so you don't get any wrinkles on your paper. Then firmly place the cardboard on the drawer and let it dry. Repeat for the other drawer as well. So now we have glued down all the small parts together. Now take the main parts and start pasting them as well. Take the topmost part of the desk and take the matchboxes. Take the divider. With the help of some school glue, paste them together as shown. Press it nicely so it stays together. Glue the topmost part of the desk now. Put the drawers inside. Now apply glue on the sides and start pasting the last part. It wasn't looking that nice on the sides of the popsicle stick, so I thought to paste some paper there. So I'm taking another piece of cardboard here and I covered it with white paper and I'll be gluing it on the back side to provide some support for the desk. And voila! Our desk is ready and our dolls can study there. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe as well because it really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!